Hello out there in Facebook land. See if I can find myself. Possibly. We'll see who pops on. I'm not sure I'm sharing this out anywhere. If you're not a Couture designer and you pop on, feel free to send it out, because I may not send it out. I'm just going to do a quick project real quick, or repeat myself real quick. I'm planning on doing a quick project. That is not crooked, or that is not straight. Hello, Miss Tori. I feel like this transfer does not fit on this backer anymore. That is not even. I don't have any more of these open. It does not fit. It does not fit. Hello, Annette. Well, like I said last night when I was doing the project, it was not cut evenly, but it was not hanging off of the backer. It's all right. So this is the transfer we used last night. You can see it's stained from our colors. See this side? This is not even. I'm not happy about it. I think I'm going to order some more of these because that turned out so cute. It's not sticking very well. It's not sticking very well at all. And I feel like I'm mumbling. I'm sorry. So this is how we turned out last night. And I went back in and I filled in the rooster's eye with the chalk marker. So it actually looks like he has an eye. He looked very ghosty before. The transfer being stained, that's fine. As long as what you see is white, is clear, it's good. I don't know why that's not fitting on there. I'm not going to deal with it right now. Put it over there. I can't see the chat. There you are. I didn't even tell Kelly I was going live. I just decided to pop on. So we're going to do the other side of our come in and play a while. We're not making it, I mean, it is kind of not kid friendly. We're going to do the don't drop the F-bomb on this side, and we're going to put it up here. Just as a reminder, don't drop the F-bomb. I don't think I've actually done that all the way on a live yet. I might have got close. I don't think I've actually dropped one. And I've been doing lives for what, 3 years? Now, I'll say other words like crap and ass and shit. But I don't think I've dropped the F-bomb. If I have, I'm sorry. I don't realize it. So this has cut lines on it. You'll see one here and one here. That's where you're supposed to cut them apart. You can use your scissors and cut them completely apart. Or I like to just use my X-Acto and cut the transfer, but not the backer. And that way, when I'm done, I can put everything back on the transfer, or the backer, and keep it all together. And I started feeling a little weird before I walked in here. I don't know why. Well, yeah, shoot is safe word on the live. It's better than dropping an F-bomb, because that's usually probably what I would do. So we're going to do the bomb, the F-bomb, and we're going to do in case of in case of emergency, we're not doing. We're doing don't drop the F-bomb. So this is just going to be a real quick project. This is easy. We're going to fuzz this a little bit. Oh, hi, Miss Kelly. Because it's real quick, and I just even told Tori. I hadn't even told you. I only sent this out to my MVP group. I didn't even share it out anywhere. So basically just coming on to do this because I want to put this up here behind me. And my rooster transfer doesn't fit back on the backer evenly. It's really weird. It's very weird. I don't understand. It's not like I have another C-size backer over here not being used. It should fit back on there. And I even flipped it around the other way. Not fitting correctly. Alright, so what color should I do this in? Oh, that's not flat. I kind of want the words a little bit lower. So I'm going to have to do the words after I do the bomb. The bomb. Yeah, I was talking about you. So I think the string, it's not called a string. Any other time I would be able to think about it. I think that should be white, so this part. I have to work on my yellow. I'm not stirring that right now. We have this one. White with red shimmer fuse. Oh, you're going to make me use shimmer? No, I'm not going to use shimmer. Because it's going to go back up here, and you're not going to be able to see it. I want it, see, you can see those words. I want it to at least be bright enough to be seen. So we're going to have yellow and white. The shadow should be darker. Pink for the words. And this is, well, not that one. I mean, that's raspberry sorbet too. Oh, those are different. I'm looking for the pink from ChalkCon. There it is. Or leadership. That pink. It's a different color. It's a neon color. It's open. I know it is. I was going to do the little fuse. That's what that is. Fuse. The fuse is going to be white. I was going to do that little the explosion part in the yellow, and maybe the bomb as well. I don't know. You know what? If we hate it, we can wipe it off and do it again. Maybe not tonight, but we can do it again. Because I'll put it up and see what it looks like for a little bit. And if I don't like it, we can do it again. Alright, so. Maybe I'll make... Okay, never mind. Let me stir this up. I got a plan in my head. We're going to get this open. This one, I shouldn't have to stir up. It has been opened. I am going to stir it up. All right. I don't need that right now. I can go down there. All right, let's get this party started. We're going to do the fuse. And I'm going to do this pretty quick, hopefully. All of a sudden I hear a dog whining. It's the fuzzy one because she's in the kennel. And she doesn't like being in the kennel. Well, I mean, she doesn't mind being in the kennel, but she's not in here. And I could have used my squeegee instead of using my multi-tool. It probably would have been better. But we're just going to wing this real quick. This one. I think I need to order some more detail tools because this is very handy and would have been much better a second ago when I was putting the pink on here. What I'm doing is I'm making a mess. I am making the shadow part of that balm a different color by mixing the yellow with the pink that's on here. It's not going to be a whole lot of different color, but it's going to be a little bit different. At least that's what I'm hoping. All right. It is a different color. All right. Let's dry that real quick. Then we're going to do our words. Words are going to be in yellow. Oh, wow. Sorry. So while we're doing this, if you have any questions about Chalk Couture or how you can get a 40% discount on purchasing products, you just let me know. I will be happy to talk to you about it. If you're a club member, this month the special is 50% off the bunny cutout pattern, which the bunny cutouts are absolutely adorable. All right, we're going to just line that there. It looked a little crooked to me. And then I'm going to just use the squeegee on this one so I don't take so long. That isn't there. It didn't want to go in that one little section. And my squeegee's just a little bit, like it's just a little bit bigger than that whole little transfer, so that's why I'm not going across. I'm going up and down. Because I really don't want to have a line of yellow on there that I have to remove. It's fine if I do, because it will be able to be pulled off. I just don't want to have to do it. All right, let's close this back up. I'm going to dry that so I don't stick my finger in it. I'm taking some of my yellow and putting some more fuzzies over here by the fuse. Well, I think they're mostly dry now. Come on. My paste is dry. The paste that's out. Alright. So what'd all that take? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Maybe? That doesn't really, that goes with the back side. So there we go. Look how quick and easy. There we go. Don't drop the F-bomb. So now, that will go over here. Not that you can really read it, but that's going to go over there. Or somewhere back there. Ta-da! All done. Like, seriously, I told you it was going to be a quick project. There it is. Pop on, pop off. You can catch me not tomorrow. I don't think tomorrow. Pretty sure not tomorrow. Maybe Saturday afternoon. I don't know. I don't even know what my plans are for Saturday. No clue. Alright. That is it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, and whoever else may be watching. I'm going to clean up my little tools here, and then I'm going to go to the sink and wash my transfers in water using my hand. You don't use any soap on them. Yep, I told you. I think it was going to be a quick one tonight. That's right, Kelly's going to go see her stepkids tomorrow, right? They are stepkids, right? Yeah, they're stepkids. So she's got a trip tomorrow. So Kelly may or may not be around this weekend. She may come hide on Facebook with us at some point to just escape. Right, Kelly? Yeah. I mean, I can do long lives, as you know, but you can also do short lives because it's a small, short project. Like I said, this was the short one we were going to do if we couldn't get things to line up last night. We did, so that's why we did the big pretty rooster last night. I really like how that turned out. Alrighty, that's it. Catch you later. Message me if you want to talk more, and that's it. Appreciate you watching.